Hello my people and welcome to my channel. My name is Instructor Allison and this particular video will make it simple. If you know say quadratic equation they confuse you, just give me small time, make I break them down for this particular. Now here I will begin to know quadratic equation. I will show you ways where you can solve this one, make you understand. Many students they fear quadratic equation because nobody fear explain and the way I want to explain it for this particular video. Okay, make we start. So what you go do first when you see this particular question where they say make you solve. Remember for this one now, they don't tell you the method we will use solve. But the first method I want to teach you now, where they use solve quadratic equation. Now the one we they call factorization method. Factorization. How do they use factorization method and they solve? If you sabi am for this particular video, don't forget them to use and do other. If you want to do for when you see the coefficient of s squared big past 1. But right now, the coefficient of this s squared now 1. If you big past this particular one, maybe from 2, the method I want to teach you now, maybe what you go use. You understand what I mean? If you pass 1, come be 2, 3, 4, 5, they go. This method I want to show you now, maybe that one you will use. I will show you again. Just let me know for comment section if you need that kind of one. But for this one, I want to use factorization method carry solve this one. You know me say no fit use other method though, but this video want teach you factorization. Make you start. What you go do for this one? When you see quadratic equation, we say x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. The first thing will come your mind. This one are the first term, second term, third term. You know say the form of quadratic equation are ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. This 6 now your c, this 5 now your b, this particular a now your 1 way there. If now 2 way there, now be your a. You understand? So now this your c now will be this 6. Now you go think of two numbers. Repeat after me. Think of two numbers. Now you go think about. Think of two numbers where we say if you multiply those numbers where you think of, it will give you 6. Okay, just use your mind, think and now put them for comment section. Which number go multiply to give you 6? Now be what I try tell you. You understand what I mean now? Me, I fit think of 1 times 6. You know, say 1 times 6 now 6 now. And so which one will give you 6? Talk now. 6 times 1, Abi. Me, I don't talk 1 times 6. I don't talk. Okay, if like now you talk 6 times 1, you don't get that now. Which one again will, if you multiply, will give you 6? You know, sabi am. 2 times 3. God dey bless you, no come sabi that small thing. 2 times 3 na 6. Which one again? 3 times 2. You get that? So all these things we mention now we dey call the factors of 6. So if you say 6 times 1, 1 times 6, 2 times 3, 3 times 2. All these things now we go multiply to give you 6. Now they call factors of 6. That one not clear, Abi? E clear, Abi? No clear? Make we do am. At the first stage be that two numbers we go multiply. You see, say the first number be this, the second number be this, the first number, the second number, the first, the second, first, the second. When we say listen to the condition, no, two numbers we say if you multiply them, if you multiply those numbers together, it will give you this your C, will be 6. If you still add those same two numbers where you multiply together, it will give you 5. Remember the sign where they are a plus. The sign where they are a plus. Pay attention to sign. Now use this one with plus plus so they don't get problem. Other ones are going to change the sign. But this one now plus, this one na plus. So two numbers when we say if you multiply it gives 6, when you add those same number, it will give you 5. Okay, bring them up. This one now 6 times 1 will give you 6. But if I add 6 and 1, it will give me 7. So it means that this one will go. 1 times 6 will give us 6. But if I add 1 and 6, it will give me 7. It'll be 5. You define the one we say if you add those same number, where you multiply, where you give you 6, it will come give you 5. Make we try this one. 2 times 3 will give you 6. But if you add 2 and 3, it will give you waiting 5. Similarly, 3 times 2 will give you 6. But if you add 3 and 2, it will still give you 5. So it means say the option there for this place. Either you go choose this one or you go choose this one. Any of them will you choose, you dey correct. So make you come out this one now. Finally make you choose what you want to choose. So now remember say two factors where we say if you multiply it gives 6, when you add you will give 3. You don't carry 1, 2 and 3. Say now 2 and 3. Now you go do the job for us. So what you will do, just open one bracket, x, just write x and carry one of the number, put. because ordinary 2 na the same thing as plus 2. Ordinary 3 na the same thing as plus 3. If sign will be negative dey, be negative 2. If sign will be negative dey, this one negative 3. Just make sure say as sign no dey, na plus wey dem carry. So open another one and write x plus this other number 3 equal to 0. Wetin be the next thing? You get one rule wey dey call zero product property. Zero shortcut, zero product property. Wetin the rule dey talk about? The rule dey say if I get a times b equal to 0, just like we get this one times this one, also bracket means times, this one times this one, x plus 2 times x plus 3 equal to 0. The same way we get a times b equal to 0. The rule say either this a will be equal to this 0 or this b will be equal to 0. That be the zero product property. So make we apply here. Either this x plus 2 will be equal to 0 or x minus, plus this 3 equal to 0. Be like minus well well. That be the zero product property. You don't learn that one, abi. Some of us sabi am do one like this, but you don't know the name. Today, if now today we dey hear about zero product property, put am for comment section and thank me. You're welcome. So now when you don reach this stage, you know the next move now. So if I say carry 2 cross go this side, make it change to minus, carry 3 cross. Me I didn't like to use that one. Ma teach you another one. If you don't use, they use to that one. What you go do here and say, since now plus 2 there, for you to remove plus 2, you go use minus 2 carry remove one. So you go say subtract 2 from both sides. Anything we do for left, you go do am for right. Here you go say subtract 3 from both sides. So you see say if you subtract 2, like 2 minus 2 will give you 0. Wetin go remain here na x. X now will be equal to 0 minus 2 will give you minus 2. Here too, x 3 minus 3 will give you 0. Wetin go remain here na 0 minus 3 will give you minus 3. But if you don't like this one, I don't teach you now. If you want carry say 2 cross go the other one, make do am o. Make you no say na me spoil show for you, make you no come pass your exam o. Do am the way dey your mind, but learn new things small. Try dey learn new thing. If you don dey used to something, learn new thing. That's why you dey do something. So the answer now x will be equal to minus 2 or x equal to minus 3. You don't learn abi, no learn. You don't learn abi. If you need, make I use another method, carry solve another problem, or the one wey be say yeah go pass one, let me know for comment section and me go come teach you again. I hope say this video makes sense. If you want to join our structured class or you need one-on-one section, you target some kind of exam like JUPEP exams, or you do 100 level, you dey any area of math wey dey worry you for this life, and one man use pidgin break am down, reach out. Even if you dey outside Nigeria, you want make I teach your pikin, dey active. Sign up. My name is Instructor Alice, wey dey teach math and science, pidgin English and plain English. We dey wait for you. We plenty who go fit teach you. A group of tutors wey dey online, lis ten tutorials. We run am for you. Peace.